Kiwi fruit has become a symbol of New Zealand's agriculture, a crop that represents both quality and innovation. This small fruit has helped the country rise to the top of the global market, with exports valued at more than $1.5 billion by 2023. Each year, New Zealand produces over 500,000 tons of kiwi, accounting for nearly 60% of worldwide exports. The main production areas Bay of Plenty, Hawke's Bay, and Gisborne make up more than 70% of the nation's orchards. These regions benefit from mild weather, fertile soils, and ideal natural conditions, allowing growers to maintain consistently high yields. Around 80% of the harvest is exported, with Japan, China, and European countries like the UK, Germany, and Italy serving as the largest markets. Beyond its international demand, the industry contributes over $1.2 billion annually to New Zealand's GDP and provides thousands of jobs, making it both an economic engine and a source of national pride. Several varieties are cultivated, but two are especially popular. The Green Hayward, prized for its balance of sweet and tart flavors, and the Golden Kiwi, valued for its soft texture and naturally rich sweetness. The choice of variety depends not only on climate and soil, but also on the preferences of target markets. Kiwis grow best in loose, well-drained soil, with a pH between 6.0 and 6.5. To maintain this balance, growers enrich the land with organic and biofertilizers, regularly check soil moisture, and ensure proper drainage to prevent root damage. Before vines are planted, farmers invest in building trellises. Kiwi is a climbing plant that needs strong structures for support. Trellises allow vines to spread evenly, ensuring that fruits are exposed to sunlight for photosynthesis and even ripening. They also reduce contact with the ground, preventing mold and pests, while making it easier to manage the orchards. Strong, high frames are designed to withstand the weight of mature vines and the stress of heavy winds or rain. Planting is usually carried out in the fall or early spring when cooler conditions help roots establish. Spacing is critical. Rows are set about 13 to 16 feet apart, with plants 16 to 20 feet apart within each row. This gives vines the room they need to grow while maintaining airflow and light penetration. Drip irrigation is widely used to conserve water and deliver consistent moisture directly to the roots. This precise system prevents waste and avoids waterlogging, which can damage plants. Fertilization is equally important. Nitrogen is especially vital, stimulating leaf growth, photosynthesis, and overall vine strength. Healthy vines are better equipped to resist disease and produce high-quality fruit. By the second year, pruning becomes essential. Growers remove weak or unproductive branches so that nutrients are focused on strong fruit-bearing shoots. This careful maintenance ensures that each season delivers better yields and higher quality kiwis. From October to December, orchards burst into bloom. Clusters of delicate white flowers release a subtle fragrance, attracting bees and insects for natural pollination. Yet farmers often go further by adding artificial pollination to guarantee results. Pollen is collected with special tools, dried to preserve quality, and filtered to remove impurities. Stored in cool, dry conditions, it is later diluted with water and sprayed directly onto the flowers. Modern sprayers, some equipped with sensors and automation, cover large areas efficiently and improve fruit, ensuring abundant harvests. Throughout the season, farmers must guard against pests like aphids and fungal infections. To protect the vines, they combine safe pesticides with natural predators, balancing productivity with sustainability. As the fruit matures, growers watch for signs of ripeness. A golden yellow or dark green skin tone and a slight softness to the touch indicate the fruit is ready. Sugar levels are confirmed with a Brix meter, while flavor and aroma tests provide final assurance. Harvesting is still largely done by hand. Workers carefully twist each fruit free, avoiding bruises that could affect quality. This gentle approach preserves the fruit's freshness all the way to the consumer. However, technology is reshaping the process. Robotic harvesters equipped with AI cameras and 3D sensors now identify ripe fruit by analyzing size, color, and firmness. Their flexible arms rotate freely and apply just the right amount of force, allowing them to pick kiwis without damage. With speeds of up to 1,000 fruits per hour, these robots greatly reduce labor needs and raise efficiency. Once collected, kiwis are transported to processing facilities. The fruit is first washed to remove soil and debris, then moved along grading lines, where it is inspected for size, color, and ripeness. Fully ripe fruits are packed immediately for sale, while others undergo controlled ripening treatments to ensure uniform quality. Packaging is carefully designed, often using cartons with protective linings or shock-absorbing materials to prevent bruising during transport. Some shipments are treated with ethylene gas to synchronize ripening, so the fruit arrives at international markets in perfect condition. Before distribution, every batch passes a final quality check. Only those meeting strict standards are approved for storage in refrigerated warehouses, where temperature and humidity are monitored around the clock. These systems extend shelf life and preserve taste, ensuring the fruit maintains its premium quality by the time it reaches consumers overseas. Export volumes underline the success of this system. In 2021, New Zealand exported more than 430,000 tons of kiwi fruit valued at $1.5 billion. By 2022, shipments rose to nearly 480,000 tons, and by 2023, exports approached 500,000 tons, reinforcing New Zealand's place as the global leader in kiwi production. But the journey doesn't end with fresh fruit. Processing plants also produce kiwi juice, known for its refreshing taste and nutritional value. Fruits are peeled, pressed, and filtered to create pure juice, which is then sterilized for safe consumption. Some versions are bottled as is, while others may include natural sweeteners. Either way, the result is a drink rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Dried kiwi has also grown in popularity. Slices of ripe fruit are dehydrated at controlled temperatures until chewy and slightly sweet. These snacks are convenient, nutritious, and versatile, perfect on their own, or as a topping for cereal, yogurt, or salads. With extended shelf life, dried kiwi is a year-round way to enjoy the fruit's unique flavor. Nutritionally, kiwis are a powerhouse. They're packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and folate, which support immunity, digestion, and skin health. Their high fiber content aids the heart, and antioxidants reduce the risk of chronic disease. For families looking to eat healthier, kiwis offer a simple but powerful choice. From orchards to factories, from fresh exports to processed goods, New Zealand's kiwi industry represents far more than a fruit. It embodies innovation, sustainability, and national pride. Through advanced farming practices, careful harvesting, and modern processing, this small fruit has grown into a global success story, one that continues to nourish millions of people while supporting communities and economies back home.